astrology of billionaire wealth. How Elon Musk birth chart creates massive dhan yoga. Vedic Astro USA. Why Elon Musk becomes so rich. The astrology of secret of billionaires birth chart. The powerful dhan yoga of Elon Musk horoscope. Musk trillions rare wealth yoga explained. How astrology predict Elon Musk massive wealth. In astrology, extraordinary wealth is never accidental. It's usually supported by powerful dhan yoga and strong planetary placement. One of the most fascinating of the birth chart Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Let us explain the powerful astrological combination that indicates immense financial and success. 1. The powerful mutual aspects creating dhan yoga. The 11th house lord Saturn and the ascendant lord Jupiter mutually aspect each other. This connection form a very strong dhan yoga because the both planet is placed in favorable sign. Saturn is the strong position in the sign of Venus, its friendly planets. Jupiter is placed in the sign of Mars, another friendly sign. When two powerful planets governing self first house and the gains 11th house create through aspect, it's create a powerful pathway for success, combination and extraordinary financial growth. This combination often indicates a person who builds wealth through vision and discipline and long-term strategy. Another extremely strong 11th house of gains. The 11th house, which presents income, success and large gains, is exceptionally powerful in this chart, where we see the Mars exalted in 11th house, Rahu placed along with Mars. This is highly dynamic combination. Mars in exaltation gives unstoppable drive, courage and ability to dominate industries. Rahu known for amplifying materials, desires and sudden growth. The result dynamically. Even more interesting, Rahu also influenced the 11th house, lord of Saturn, through the 9th aspects. This double influence intensify the potential for massive financial expansion, innovations and unconventional success. Third, strong second house for wealth. The second house, which represents assets, is also powerful. Exalted in 11th house, Mars also aspects its own house through its fourth aspect, strengthening financial stability. This creates a powerful cycle where wealth continuously grow and multiples. Number 4, the connection between wealth house, another remarkable features in its chart, the strong relationship between the most important first, second, 9th and 5 and 11th houses. These houses represents first personality and destiny, second wealth and assets, fifth intelligence and creativity, 9th for fortune and luck, and 11 gains and achievements. Here's how they are interconnected. Second house lord Mars in the 11th house aspecting the second and the fifth. The first lord Jupiter aspecting first and fifth. 9th house lord again influence the second and fifth. 11th lord Saturn aspecting the fifth and 9th houses. The powerful network of planetary connections create a rare prosperity circuit in the house, in the birth chart. The finally conclusions when the house of self, wealth, intelligence, luck and gain are strongly interconnected. The result is often extraordinary financial success. This is why the birth chart of Elon Musk shows the multiple strong indicators, global influences, visionary innovation and revolutionary achievements. My astrology clearly reveals that when the powerful dhan yoga activate, they can shape the destiny of individuals who go on to change the world. In this video, I analyze the astrology of billionaires Elon Musk and explore the powerful dhan yogas in his birth chart that indicates extraordinary wealth and success. In this video, we learn how the mutual aspects of Jupiter, Saturn exalted Mars in 11th house and strong connections between 1st, 2nd, 5th, 9th and 11th. That houses create the one of the most powerful wealth combinations in this video. If you want to understand how astrology predicts billionaires' success, massive financial growth and global influence, this analysis will reveal the hidden planetary secrets. Was still in to discover how planetary placement can shape a destiny of innovation, leadership and unimaginable wealth. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. For more update, was still in.